Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Zarina binti Mat Ali. My name is Intan Nusha Zuani binti Ma'mar Kadafi, a student of BFC 34502 from section 10. Okay, today I will be present on business model canvas for INS Hijab. INS Hijab is a business that I personally established as individual assignment for BFC 34502. First of all, INS Hijab is a lifestyle brand for a women that wear hijab. It is playful yet classy, stylish yet friendly for all the hijabis out there. The main vision of INS Hijab is to make scarves that are affordable to everyone. Okay, next, what is Business Model Canvas or BMC? BMC is a strategic management tool to quickly and easily define and communicate a business idea or concept. BMC contains 9 components that describe and assess a business model. BMC contains 9 components that describe and assess a business model, which are key activities, key partner, key resources, value proposition, customer relationship, channels, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue streams. So, this is INS Hijab Business Model Canvas. Okay, first, customer segments. So, who are the customer of INS Hijab? This will be adult fashionable hijabis, ladies, and students. Why they are the customer for INS Hijab? I will be explained in the value proposition. The value proposition is foundational to any business or product. It is explained why the customer buy from INS Hijab. Well, first, we are definitely sell high quality design of hijab at low cost. The hijabs might look expensive, but the price is affordable to all customers. Besides, we also have 2 types of hijab, which are square scarf and short. This is really a good deal because some customer might prefer square scarves instead of short and vice versa. Now we proceed to channels for INS Hijab. We are fully operate on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. We also have website and Shopee, so customer have option to choose which platform they convenient for them to purchase INS Hijab. INS Hijab really value our relationship with customer. We want to make sure that our customer have the easiest process to purchase from us. We have provide self-service website as option for customer to purchase INS Hijab. Besides that, every purchase of INS Hijab, we will give free gifts as a sign that we are very appreciate the purchase they made. Other than that, INS Hijab also provide agents as assistants for customers to choose color or design that they like. Agents also will provide tutorial for each design that we have. The revenue streams for INS Hijab will be clean profit that we earn from customers' purchases and sale, and delivery charges and shipping fees as demanded by postage of courier. Okay, next is the key activities. So, key activities of INS Hijab will be marketing activities, which we will monthly work on new design for our beloved customers. Then, social media management, we will regularly update and promote the new release designs and information on sale. Okay, next is the key resources for INS Hijab. It will be social media, retail supplier, and editing softwares. These 3 resources are very important to our business. We need social media to expand the range of our audience and to promote our product as well. Retail supplier is the main resource for us to get good quality of scarves fabric. Then, editing software is very useful for us to create design poster and videos promotion or sales for INS Hijab. Next, INS Hijab key partners are our regular customer, since we have their trust on our products, and also other businesses colleagues that we have been and will be collaborate to produce new product design for each other brand. So last but not least is the cost structure for INS Hijab. Cost structure is defined as the monetary cost of operating as a business. The money was spent on materials, ads, and design costs, logistics, marketing, transportation, and staff salaries. So that's all from me. Thank you.